If you're a developer, these 5 free AI tools in 2025 will change how you code, debug, and build software forever. From faster development to smarter documentation, this is the ultimate AI toolbox for engineers. Tool number 3 is a lifesaver if you hate writing documentation. Welcome to AI_Explorer, where tech meets intelligence. Let's dive into these game-changing tools. First, GitHub Copilot X, your AI pair programmer with GPT-4 under the hood. It suggests full functions, fixes bugs, and answers coding questions in line. Whether you're writing JavaScript, Python, or any language, Copilot X accelerates your development workflow like never before. Next, Code Whisperer by Amazon, a secure, enterprise-grade alternative especially great for teams using AWS services. With built-in security scanning and privacy-focused AI assistance, it's perfect for enterprise development environments. Hate writing docs? Try Mintlify. This AI tool generates beautiful, up-to-date documentation directly from your code. Zero manual formatting required. Perfect for dev tools, SaaS apps, and open-source projects. Fourth, Tabnine. This AI assistant provides contextual suggestions and works especially well with Java, TypeScript, and Python. Best part? It works offline for secure environments and supports over 20 programming languages. Finally, AskCodi. Your AI assistant that writes functions, generates SQL queries, and converts code between languages. Perfect for quick snippets, API integration, and any multi-language development tasks you encounter. That's your 2025 developer toolkit powered by AI. Which tool are you most excited to try first? Drop your choice in the comments below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more developer tools and tutorials.